Hi, this video is to show how to register a new membership. Okay, I will share my screen and from here we can go through together. Okay, first you log in into your own ID number. Okay, once you log in, you will see this page. Okay, this is how we go to shopping mall, but now I want to register a new member. Okay, so how I register a new member, I go to join us. Okay, but before that, I will check my office. Okay, who do I want to sponsor this new member? So sorry, it's a bit fast. So I go back one more time. First, you have to click office, my office, click my Atomy, go to the last column, lineage, you click on it. Then it will ask you the setting. Normally we choose all and confirm. Okay, so as you can see, this is your account, and from here, this is the ID that you will share as a sponsor ID. Okay, if this person belongs to this person and he want to be on his right group, then you share the ID for this person. So right now, because you see there's no branch out, it's for you. So you share this ID number, okay, as the sponsor ID. Okay, so at join us, you click join us. There's three columns. One is the consumer, one is the agent, and the global membership. So consumer, you get to buy the products from Atomy, but you don't get any commission or rebate. So you likely will join as a agent. Okay, once you join as an agent, then you can have rebate from the company. So global membership is foreigner that is living in Singapore for registration. So are you over 18 years old? Yes, you join us. Okay, so you will read through the membership agreement. Okay, then you put a tick to it. And the term and condition, you put a tick to it. Privacy, security, put a tick to it. Then you put confirm. Once you go to confirm, is to fill in your membership form. Okay, make sure all the one with the asterisk is filled in properly. And this is important. Under email address, you need to click receive confirmation of registration. If not, you will not be able to go to confirmation. And also click the promotion and marketing message. And for spouse, you can click no for the moment and confirm. Once you confirm, you'll go to the next step, which is designate your sponsor. So you will give the sponsor ID, which is just now what we have registered over here. You want to branch out here, you give this ID number. You are branch out here, you give this ID number. So of course, I want to branch out my own right side at the present moment. So the next member will be on the right. So I give this ID number. Okay. So after this, you have designate your sponsor, then the application is complete and you will receive a email notification as well. So what you need to do next after you have successfully received an ID from here, you will have to fill in a registration form that is in the email. They will tell you where's the link. You fill in the registration form, you put in the ID number, and after that, you have to take your NRIC number of your new member front and back and register using the link. Okay. So what does the form normally looks like? Okay. Hey, agent application form. Okay. So this is the Atomy membership application form. So over here, you need to fill in the Atomy member ID, which is given to you on the website after you register his name, and the NRIC number, email, direct sponsor ID, which is yourself, then the applicant's name, date of birth, mobile, sponsor name, okay, which is whichever this sponsor ID. So after that, then the applicants will put his name and sign and date, and you can submit this form for registration. Hey, that's all for today. Hope this helps. Shall end the